Okay guys, back with another unboxing, Monster Glitch with Ryan. Today I found the new case at Walmart. This is the Super Mario Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. They had these at the 4 packs with Luigi and all that and Bowser, but they're releasing the single. They'll probably do the other one soon. Name, Mario, truck type, character, strength, hero, crash attack, ground pound. It's all the same backing, because I saw the Rages for this one today, and I saw the 5 alarm. I saw all of them, basically. Here's guys, Super Mario. Let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I never had this one in my collection before. I never bought these. Okay guys, here's Mario guys, the coins, the little mushroom. I love the gold rims and beadlocks, that's really cool. And then Mario, it says, he's right there, like hitting the block like in the game. There's a little mushroom on top, the gold coins. Mario. I love the dark blue roll cage and the silver chassis, black tires, and it says Super Mario with the M in the back from his hat. Pretty cool. I'm glad I got this one actually. So guys, like, subscribe, comment, share, because I have one more unboxing. Peace out.